Hello students, let us see one problem which I wrote on the board students, that is asked by my student, right? What the problem is. They are saying that is easy problem from thermodynamics student. They are saying the bond dissociation energy of x2, y2 and xy are in the ratio 1 ratio 0.5 ratio 1. Delta H for the formation of xy. Okay, formation of xy. So enthalpy of formation is what about student for 1 mole. Okay, delta H is always represented in the term of 1 mole. That is you have to keep for in mind. That is enthalpy of formation, enthalpy of dissociation, bond enthalpy, all are for the 1 mole only. That you have to keep in mind. Now what we have to do is students, here you see that is 1 mole we have to form. From where you are going to form? We are going to form from the x2 and plus y2. Here we need 1 x, 1 y, and here is 2x, 2y are there. So we have to divide by 1 by 2 x2, and here is we have to divide by 1 by 2 y2. So that it will, we are getting that is 1 mole. Okay. अब dear students, what we are going, delta H for the formation of xy is kitna, how much? 200 kilojoule per mole. So delta H they have given. Delta H is equal to what? That is bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy of what? Reactant. That is, and this is we are writing in the term of summation. Why summation? Because so many reactant are there. Minus what student? Bond enthalpy of product. BE of product. Okay. That you have to keep in mind. Right, while solving student, one more things information you have to keep in mind. What information? That is ratio they have given. What ratio? That is x2, y2 or xy. So this is what ratio? 1, 0.5, and this is again 1. So if you are writing in the in the term of, we can write that is a. Okay, because we have to calculate na value. So we are writing that is a. We can write is 0.5a. And this is how much? Again a. So this much are there. So bond enthalpy of reactant, how can you write student? That is summation. You firstly you write down the summation. Here is summation. So that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. It is value will be what? Bond enthalpy of x, bond x, plus again 1 by 2. Bond enthalpy of what will be coming student? Y bond y. Okay, y bond y. Because why I am doing half? Because we need only 1 mole. Minus what we can do, summation bond enthalpy of product. So it is xy. I am not dividing 1 by 2 because here is 1 mole is there, but here is extra 2 atoms are there. That is why I divided. Okay, xy. So here is what we are doing, 1 by 2 x value. Here you see how much? A. This is the A, plus 1 by 2 yy, how much? 1 by 2 yy, 0.5. So that is, you can write 1 by 2 0.5 a minus xy, how much is there? A. Okay, this bond enthalpy delta H value already given. Delta H for the formation is how much? Minus 200 kilojoule per mole. This is the minus 200 kilojoule per mole. Now you can solve it out easily. You will be able to solve it out to get the answers, right? So let us see how I am doing the now solution. Let me erase student because the board is not coming in this mobile screen. So if you simplify this equation student, if you simplify this, so how much is coming? Minus 200 equal to 1 by 2 means that is a by 2, plus how much is coming? 0.5 a by 2. Okay, outside of bracket how much? Minus a, right? Take 200 a by 2. This is the 2 LCM you take. So it is coming how much? A plus 0.5 a, and here is outside of bracket minus a. Again you take 200. How much is equal to? It is coming how much? It will come student. You take the a common. You take the a common. So this is 1 plus 0.5. That is 1.5 a upon 2. Outside of bracket minus a. Okay. You solve it out student. How can you be able to solve this? Let us have a look over it. this 2 is going this side, this 2 is going this side. So if this 2 you are sending this side, so how much will come? Minus 400 equal to, this is coming how much? 1.5 a minus a, right? 1.5 a minus a. Okay, so you can, what you will be able to do, student, in this case, so here also this 2, if you are cross multiplying, this also we are taking, so here it will go, student, if you are taking LCM for this, nothing is there means 1, so LCM will be what? It will come in 2a. Okay, so here is 400 equal to how much? 1.5a minus 2a, so minus 0.5a is coming. Okay, minus 0. This is nothing, student, this is the mathematics only. So this minus minus cancel out, so a is equal to 400 upon what? 0.5. You multiply by 10 to remove the decimal. Okay, multiply by 10 to remove the decimal. So you see how much is coming, student? It is coming 4000 upon 5. So how much? 5 8 ja 40. I know 40. I know, because 4000 is coming, 5 8 ja 40 and double 0. So 800 kilojoule per mole, which is correct option. Option number D is the correct answer. So it's a very simple, student. Only you need to know the LCM, how to take the LCM. I taken the LCM. Here is nothing is the 1. Okay, so you can consider this one also in the term of LCM. So here it will come, that is this value will come, and if you are solving, this will come 800 kilojoule per mole. Thank you so much for watching, friends.